When you're jump-starting a workshop, why do you want to do an icebreaker or energizer? Well, there's 4 reasons why icebreakers can be really beneficial and prime your group for what you want them to do. The first is, if you have a big group, it helps them get to know each other. It helps you get to know them as well, get a sense of who's in the group and who's at what table. Second, it's psychological priming. It gives everyone a chance to speak and feel part of the group before they're contributing in a high-stress way. This can also reduce the sense of isolation. Third, it also primes your participants to improve their learning. It gets them involved mentally, emotionally, and physically. It can help pique their interest and prime them to think outside of the box. And fourth, it's a great facilitator assessment. It can help you tailor your content based on the experience level in the room. I have 3 favorite icebreakers that I always have in my back pocket. The first being Zombie Cats, or Name Your Team. This is a great activity when you have participants who don't already know each other. Essentially, you have the participants identify 2 things that everyone in that group has in common. In my example, Zombie Cats, they all liked zombie movies and they all had a cat. It facilitates discussion and makes them, or forces them rather, to get to know each other. My second go-to icebreaker is what I call superhero. This is when I have each participant draw themselves as a superhero and then come up with characteristics that if they were a superhero at work, what would their special traits be? Are they great communicators? Do they synthesize information? I have them put these up on the wall, and then especially in teams who already work together or know each other, I have them add to each other's. This is great for boosting morale within a team and facilitating people getting to know each other who may already work together. My third and final favorite icebreaker is Draw Your Neighbor. I use this one anytime I'm going to be asking participants to draw who may not normally draw often. I ask them to draw their neighbor. It always provides a good laugh and allows them to put pen to paper in a low-stress way. Following this, I ask them how it feels. Did it feel awkward? Did it feel good? Were you excited? Were you embarrassed? Oftentimes, participants are a little bit stressed. This is because they equate being creative and being artistic. This icebreaker is a great way to dispel that you don't need to be artistic to be creative. Icebreakers, warm-ups, any kind of activity that you use at the beginning of a day is a great way to get to know your group, prime them for how you want them to participate, and as a facilitator, understand how you may need to tailor content throughout the day so that you can get the most out of the workshop.